In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transitions between scenes in Google Vids, making your video projects flow more smoothly and look more professional. Let's dive right into the process. The first thing you're going to do is navigate to Google Vids. Google Vids is part of the Google Workspace, and it's a fantastic tool for creating and editing videos online. Whether you're on a PC or Mac, just open your favorite web browser and type in the URL or search for Google Vids. Once you're on the page, you'll see a button that beckons for a click. Sign in. Go ahead and click on that. It's the gateway to all your creative endeavors on this platform. Screen might flicker, redirect, but stay calm. You're on the right journey. As soon as you hit the sign in button, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. If you're like me and have more accounts than you can count on one hand, make sure to pick the one associated with your video projects. This step is crucial because all your work will be saved under this account. After selecting your account and inputting your password, you'll find yourself in the Google Vids workspace. Now the adventure begins. Look for your timeline. This is where the magic happens. The timeline is where you can view your project in a linear format. It's the spine of your video holding everything together. Your next quest is to find the transition icon in your timeline. This might feel a bit like searching for treasure, but it's usually located right between your video clips. It's a small icon that looks like two overlapping squares. Once you find it, click it, and you're one step closer to adding that professional touch to your video. Clicking the transition icon will open a panel on the right side of your screen. This is like opening a treasure chest filled with shiny animated transitions. Take your time and explore the options. You'll find a variety of transitions, from simple fades to more complex animated effects. Each of these transitions can give your video a unique look and feel, so consider what matches your video's style and tone. Once you've found the perfect transition, it's time to apply it. Click on your chosen transition and, like magic, it will be added between your video clips on the timeline. It's exciting to see your project come to life with these professional touches, isn't it? And just like that, you've added a transition to your video in Google Vids. Feel free to preview your video and see how the transition looks in action. If it's not quite right, don't worry. You can always go back and change the transition or adjust its duration to better suit your video. Experimenting is key to finding what works best for your project. Now remember, adding transitions does more than just visually move your viewers from one scene to another. It's about creating a flow that enhances the storytelling of your video. Each transition you add should have a purpose and contribute to the overall narrative of your video. Whether it's building suspense, signaling a change in time or location, or simply adding a bit of flair, your choice of transition can significantly impact how your video is received. There you have it, folks. You now know how to seamlessly add transitions between scenes in Google Vids, giving your video projects a more polished and professional look. Don't be afraid to experiment with different transitions and see what works best for your project. Practice makes perfect, and the more you play around with Google Vids, the more proficient you'll become. That wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope you found these instructions helpful and easy to follow. Remember, creativity is all about experimenting and finding what works best for your vision. So go ahead, dive back into Google Vids and let your creativity run wild. Happy editing.